welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing poem from your storybook, that is Nice Mice. So, my dear students, as we all know, that the greatness of a country and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. So the tiny creatures, quick and sly, mice with tails so long, passing by. So, with these beautiful thoughts, let us begin with the poem. So, first of all, we have a blue box over here, right, which is giving us some kind of general knowledge. So, let's gain some knowledge from this box first of all. So, they say, read to know about mice. So we have to read this box for knowing more about the mice, right? Mice are small, gnawing mammals that belong to the rodent family. As we all know that mice are too small, right? They are actually known as the growing mammals and they belong to a rodent family, right? They can be found almost everywhere in the world. Obviously, mice is a normal animal that can be seen normally in every part of the world, right? So, the most commonly known is the mouse, house mouse. So, the mouse that we all commonly know is a mouse that is present in our houses also, right? It is most often found in buildings. So they are actually found in the buildings, right? The house mouse grows to about 8 inches, that is 20 centimeters. So a house mouse can grow up to the 8 inches, which is approximately equal to 20 centimeters, right? Long from its nose to the tip of its tail. And we count that mouse height from the tip of its nose to the end of its long tail, right? It has a scaly tail that is about half as long as its body. Its fur is brown or gray. So, as we all can see, if you have seen ever a mouse, its tail is actually scaly. It has some scales on its tails, right? And also, the length of the mouse tail is actually the half of its body, right? And after that, we also get to know that the mouse is usually of brown or gray color, right? Mice live mainly on the ground and are active at night. We all know that mouse usually live in the ground, and due to the presence of human beings, they usually used to do their work at night, right? They use their senses of smell and hearing to find their way around. So they have very strong senses to hear and smell the things, and they find their way by the help of their senses. Right? House mice build their nests in the hidden spots near food. So actually, the mice used to make their nests in the hidden spots near food, right? Mice eat almost anything, including seeds, grains, and insects. Sometimes they eat human foods. And we all know that a mouse can eat everything. Either it can be seeds, grains, insects, or sometimes they eat the human foods also. Right? So, this was all the information that is provided about the mouse over here. Next, paste and draw a picture of the mouse in the given space. So, in the given space, you have to draw or you have to paste the picture of a mouse, right? So, I hope you'll enjoy to do this creativity and you'll be easily able to draw the picture of a mouse. So, let's move ahead now. So, let's begin with the poem. So they say, I think mice. Mice is actually mentioned for a mouse over here, right? I think mice are rather nice. Rather means none of them, right? Their tails are long, their faces are small. As we all have read in the blue box also that their tails are actually long and their faces are quite small, right? They haven't any chins at all, their ears are pink and their teeth are white. So we all know that they actually don't have chins, right? Mouse don't have chins on their face, right? And we all know that their ears are actually pink and their teeth are actually white. Right? Moving ahead, we have they run about, they house at night. As we all read in the blue box, saying that the mouse used to perform their activities during the night because of the presence of humans in day. They used to finish their work at night, right? They nibble things. Nibble means they actually chew. They chew the things they shouldn't touch. They chew those things that they shouldn't actually touch. Right? And no one seems to like them much, but I think mice are rather nice. Right? So they say that uh, no one seems to like the mouse much, right? Actually, we all do not like mice at all, right? So that is why they are saying that no one seems to like them much. But I think mice are rather nice. We think that the mice are actually very nice, right? So this was a poem which was composed by Rose Filmer. Here we have some questions for you so that you can test your reading knowledge. So, the first question is, what is the color of the mouse ears? So, can you tell me what is the color of the mouse ears as we read just now in the poem? Absolutely. The color of mouse ears is pink. Right? Next, where do the mouse run about at night? So, where do the mouse run about at night? Absolutely correct. In the house. Right? And that was all about the poem. So let's cherish the presence of our tiny friends and appreciate their presence that never ends. So do subscribe our channel, like the video for more fun poems and animal fact, and do not forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.